Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
एक मिनिट हा, काही जण अलाव करायचे राहिले. In previous lecture, we had already started unit number 6, which is flow through pipes. In that, we had studied Darcy's Weisbach equation as well as Chage's formula for calculation of major losses through pipe. Okay, major losses through pipe that can be calculated by using Darcy-Weisbach equation, which is 4FLV square upon 2GD, and by using Chage's constant formula. Okay, then minor losses through pipe. There are 7 types of minor losses are there. Loss of head due to sudden enlargement, loss of head due to sudden contraction, loss of head at entrance of the pipe, then loss of head at the exit of the pipe, loss of head due to an obstruction in pipe, loss of head due to bending of pipe, and loss of head due to various pipe fitting. Okay, these are the minor losses. First minor loss we had already studied in previous lecture, which is loss due to sudden enlargement. This is the diagram of sudden enlargement, and in this figure water is flowing from section 1 to section 2. Okay, and the diameter of pipe is enlarged from section 1 to section 2. There is enlargement of diameter of pipe from section 1 to section 2. Therefore, the loss can be calculated as loss of head due to sudden enlargement. Okay, and the formula we will got in previous lecture. This formula HE is equal to V1 minus V2 bracket square upon 2G. This is HE, head loss due to sudden enlargement of section. Okay, where V1 is the velocity of section 1 and V2 is the velocity of section 2. Then second minor loss is loss of head due to sudden contraction. Loss of head due to sudden contraction. This is the diagram of sudden contraction of pipe when the diameter of pipe from section 1 to section 2 is suddenly contracted. Then that loss is taken into account as a loss due to sudden contraction. Okay, and the water is flowing through section 1 to section 2. Okay, here you see the difference between diameter of pipe from section 1 to section 2. The diameter is suddenly contracted. Okay, therefore that loss is to be taken as loss of head due to sudden contraction, and the loss of head due to sudden contraction is to be calculated by here HC is equal to V2 square upon 2G in bracket 1 upon CC minus 1 bracket square. Okay, V2 is the velocity of section 2, HC is the head loss due to contraction, CC is the coefficient of contraction, and G is acceleration due to gravity. Then coefficient of contraction, if the value of coefficient of contraction is assumed as 0.62, then your value of K become K is equal to 1 upon Cc minus 1 bracket square. Therefore, K becomes 0.375. Okay. In university exam, you have to ask or you have to calculate total head loss through compound pipe, which is located in. Then we have to calculate that total head loss is major loss plus minor loss. Okay, and that major loss you have to calculate it from Darcy-Weisbach equation or Chage's constant formula. And minor losses, the value of minor losses according to the section of pipe, according to sudden contraction, sudden expansion, bending, obstruction, pipe fitting, that losses are taken into account in case of minor losses. And the addition of these losses, major loss plus minor loss, you will get the value of total head loss in that pipe section. Okay, then if the value of coefficient of contraction is not given in your problem, then the loss of head due to sudden contraction, it means that HC is equal to 0.5 V2 square upon 2G if CC is not given. Okay, and if CC is given, then use this formula. HC is equal to V2 square upon 2G in bracket 1 upon Cc minus 1 bracket square if Cc is given. And if Cc is not given, Cc is coefficient of contraction. If that value is not given in your problem, then take Hc, coefficient head loss due to contraction, which is 0.5 V2 square upon 2G. Okay, this is second minor loss through pipe. Okay, then third minor loss, loss of head at the entrance of pipe. Okay, loss of head at the entrance of pipe. This is the loss of energy which occurs when liquid enters a pipe which is connected to large tank or reservoir. म्हणजे एखादा रिझर्वायर असेल किंवा टँक असेल आणि त्या टँक मधून वॉटर जस्ट एंटर होतंय तुमच्या पाईप मध्ये. ओके, and that loss is taken as loss of head at sudden loss of head at the entrance of pipe. Okay, and that is to be calculated HI. This loss is denoted as HI, loss of head at entrance of pipe. HI is equal to 0.5 V square upon 2G. (0.5 V square upon 2G, where V is velocity of liquid flowing through that pipe. Okay, the next type of loss is loss of head at the exit of pipe. फॉर्म्युले बऱ्यापैकी सेम आहेत, फक्त थोडाफार चेंज होतोय. आपण लॉस ऑफ हेड ड्यू टू सडन कॉन्ट्रॅक्शनचा फॉर्म्युला घेतला होता. HC is equal to 0.5 V2 square upon 2G. Okay, then loss of head at entrance of pipe 0.5 V square upon 2G. and the loss of head at exit of pipe. This loss of head or loss of energy is due to velocity of liquid at outlet of pipe, which is dispatched either in the form of free jet or lost in the tank or reservoir. Okay, loss of head at exit of pipe म्हणजे पाईप मधून पाणी एक्झिट होतंय दुसऱ्या रिझर्वायर मध्ये किंवा आपल्याला ज्या ठिकाणी वॉटर पाहिजे त्या ठिकाणी ते वॉटर एक्झिट होतंय अशा कंडिशन मध्ये लॉस ऑफ हेड ड्यू टू at exit of pipe that taken into account. Therefore, H0 is loss of head at exit of pipe and H0 is calculated as V square upon 2G. Only the difference in loss of head at entrance of pipe and loss of head at exit of pipe. You see the difference in formula at entrance of pipe 0.5 V square upon 2G and at exit of pipe only V square upon 2G where V is the velocity at outlet of the pipe. Okay, this is one loss, minor loss. Then next minor loss is loss of head due to an obstruction of pipe. Okay. Whenever there is an obstruction in pipe, the loss of energy take place due to reduction of area of the cross section of the pipe at the place where obstruction is present. Then that loss is taken as loss of head due to an obstruction. Okay. ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन झाल्यानंतर बघा काय होतं जो पाईप असतो तुमचा इनिशियल डायमीटर तर तो त्या पाईपचा ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन म्हणजे त्यामध्ये काहीतरी अडथळा येणार आहे ओके अँड ड्यू टू दॅट ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन the diameter of that pipe should be reduced okay and then calculate loss of head due to obstruction of pipe एक second. This is your loss of head due to an obstruction in pipe. An obstruction is there at section 11. Capital A is the area of pipe. Small a is the area of obstruction which is in main pipe. Then V is velocity of liquid in pipe. Then head loss due to an obstruction. Head loss due to an obstruction is to be calculated by, here the formula is written here, V square upon 2G. Loss of head due to obstruction V square upon 2G in bracket capital A upon CC and bracket capital A minus small a minus 1 whole bracket square. Okay, where CC, again CC is coefficient of contraction. Okay, coefficient of contraction. Then A is, capital A is area of main pipe, small a is area of maximum obstruction, where V is the velocity of water flowing through that pipe. From this formula, you can calculate head loss due to an obstruction. Then next minor loss is loss of head due to bend in pipe. Okay. When there is any bending in pipe, the velocity of flow changes from section 1 to section 2, and there is possibility of separation of boundary layer or formation of eddies in that bending. Okay, thus there is energy is to be lost, and loss of head is to be calculated as loss of head due to bending of pipe, and it is denoted as HB. Okay, and HB is loss of head due to bending. HB is equal to kV square upon 2G, where HB is loss of head due to bend, V is the velocity of flow, K is coefficient of bending, and that value of K depend upon angle of bend and radius of curvature of bending, as well as diameter of pipe. That coefficient of bending K is depend on angle of bending, radius of curvature of bending, as well as diameter of pipe. Okay, HB is equal to kV square upon 2G. Generally, in your problem, the value of K, coefficient of bending, is directly given, and you have to calculate bending loss, which is kV square upon 2G. Okay, then last minor loss is loss of head in due to pipe fitting. Loss of head due to pipe fitting. Pipe fitting losses or the loss of head in various pipe fittings such as wall fitting, coupling are expressed as HF is equal to kV square upon 2G. Both formulas are same, kV square upon 2G. Here loss of head due to bending, you can see here loss of head due to bending HB is equal to kV square upon 2G, as well as loss of head due to various fitting is also kV square upon 2G. But there is a change in constant. In previous case, or loss of head due to bending, K is the coefficient of bending, and here in pipe fitting, K is coefficient of pipe fitting. Okay, and V is the velocity of flow in both formulas. Therefore, these are the minor losses through pipe. Okay. Now we will see one problem. In problem, what is given? Problem on head loss. Okay, whether that is major loss or minor loss. According to problem, formula is to be changed. First problem is water is flowing through a horizontal pipe. Water is flowing through a horizontal pipe of diameter 200 mm. D is equal to 200 mm at a velocity of 3 meter per second. V is equal to 3 meter per second. A circular solid plate of diameter 150 mm is placed in the pipe to obstruct the flow. To obstruct the flow, it means that we have to take loss of head due to an obstruction. Okay, then find the loss of head due to obstruction in the pipe if Cc is equal to 0.62. According to problem, given data, diameter of pipe is 200 mm, velocity V is equal to 3 meter per second, area from diameter, calculate area. Then it has been given that in your problem, a circular solid plate of diameter 150 mm is placed in the pipe to obstruct the flow. Means there is some obstruction in the pipe flow. Therefore, the diameter of obstruction D is equal to 150 mm. From D, calculate A, which is 0.01767 meter square. And that area of obstruction is denoted as small a, and area of pipe, main pipe, is capital A. Both values are different as their diameters are different. And here CC is directly given in your problem. Okay. And in this case, you have to calculate total head loss due to an obstruction only. As we know, formula V square upon 2G in bracket capital A upon CC in bracket capital A minus small a minus 1 whole bracket square. Put all values in this formula and calculate head loss due to an obstruction, which is 3.311 meter. Okay. For solving these problems, you should know formula and you should know proper notation which have been used in our formula. Okay, so that we will solve this problem correctly. Then another type of problem is there. Determine the rate of flow of water. Determine the rate of flow of water through a pipe of diameter 20 centimeter and length 50 centimeter. When one end of the pipe is connected to tank and other end of pipe is open to the atmosphere. The pipe is horizontal and the height of water in the tank is 4 meter above the center of pipe. Consider all minor losses and take F is equal to 0.009 in the formula of HF is equal to 4 FLV square upon 2GD, or D multiplied by 2G. Here we have to calculate. In first line it has been given that determine the rate of flow of water through a pipe, and diameter of that pipe is given, which is 20 centimeter, and length of pipe is given, which is 50 meter. And one case is written over here, that one of end of pipe is connected to tank and other end is open to atmosphere. Okay, then it has been given that coefficient of friction F is equal to 0.09 and H, the value of H is given 4 meter. Okay, then applying Bernoulli's equation at the top of water surface in the tank and the outlet of pipe, we have taking 0.1 on the top and 0.2 at the outlet of the pipe. Okay, then you know Bernoulli's equation, P upon rho G, P1 upon rho G plus V1 square upon 2G plus Z1 is equal to P2 upon rho G plus V2 square upon 2G plus Z2, and it has been taken as plus all losses. Consider all losses. Then considering datum line passing through center of pipe. Therefore, P upon rho G, value of P is 0, V is 0, and only value of V is 0, and only take height of water, which is Z, or datum height, which is 4 meter. Okay, therefore, putting this value 0 plus 0 plus 4 is equal to df plus v2 square upon 2g plus 0 plus hi plus hf. By putting this value, you will got 4 is equal to v2 square upon 2g plus hi plus hf, where hf is head loss due to friction and hi is head loss at inlet. Then from above calculate hi, which 0.5 v square upon 2g. Okay, and hf is to be calculated by given formula 4 FL v square upon 2gd. Then calculate v is equal to 2.734 meter per second, and then calculate rate of flow or discharge, which is q is equal to area into velocity, and it will give 0.08589 meter cube per second or 85.89 liter per second is the rate of flow. Okay. There are number of varieties of problem in the calculation of total head loss. Okay, sometimes they ask you calculate total head loss. Sometimes uh, the problem is like that: calculate coefficient of contraction, then calculate area of obstruction. Such types of problems are asked in university exams. Let us see next problem. Next type of problem, which is this problem. In this problem, it has been asked calculate total head loss, and here from water surface or from tank to pipe, the diameter of pipe is changes from 15 meter, sorry, 0.15 meter or 150 mm to 300 mm. Therefore, there is suddenly expansion of pipe is there. Then that loss is to be taken in minor losses through that pipe. Okay, and our general major loss, which is calculated by Darcy-Weisbach equation. This problem we will solve in next lecture.